Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of Ordinary Differential Equation asked in Csirnet 2019. So our question is, for the following system of Ordinary Differential Equation, this is the two system, dx upon dy is equals to x into 3 minus 2x minus 2y, and the second dy upon dt is equals to y into 2 minus 2x minus y, and we have to find the nature of this critical point. Here the missing is critical point. At critical point what is the critical point? 0 comma 2. That is, we have to find this system at critical point 0 comma 2. So let we solve. Let f of x is equals to x into 3 minus 2x minus 2y. Let first system the fx, which is equals to this, and gx is equals to y 2 minus 2x minus y. Now we have to linearize this equation. That is linearization of equation. What we get? That a is equals to f of x, f of y, g of fx and g of y. This means that first we have to differentiate this fx with respect to x and fx with respect to y. Further, we have to differentiate g with respect to x and g with respect to y. So what we get? This is not x, this is f only, and this is g only. So what we get here? If we differentiate this f with respect to x, what we get? We get 3 minus 4x minus 2y. And if we differentiate with this f with respect to y, what we get? Minus of 2x. Further, we have to differentiate this g with respect to x. What we get? Minus of 2y. And further, we have to differentiate g with respect to y. What we get? 2 minus 2x minus 2y. So this is 2 cross 2 matrix. Here we have to find the value of this differential equation, this matrix at critical point 0 comma 2. Here we have to find this at point 0 comma 2. We have to linearize this equation at critical point 0 comma 2. What we get if we put 0 in the place of x and y, 2 in place of y? What we get? We get the matrix y is 1, 0, minus 4 and minus 2. If we put this here, we see this a is equals to this. Now we will see this matrix is what? This is lower triangular matrix. So eigenvalue of this matrix is what? So eigenvalue of this matrix is what? Minus 1 and minus 2. So as it is lower triangular matrix, so we don't need to find a characteristic equation. We can easily find the eigenvalue without finding the characteristic equation. So this is the eigenvalue, and we have to we are seeing this, that minus 2 and minus 1 is the eigenvalue of this matrix. So we know if the eigenvalue are distinct and of same sign, then we get node, and we get node. So here we get node, this is a spiral, so this option is wrong. Further, if the sign is negative, then it is stable node, and sign it is positive, then it is unstable node. So here the sign is negative, so we get stable node, unstable node is wrong. So by seeing the eigenvalue at the critical point, we can decide the nature of roots. So this is a solution of this question. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.